If you're experiencing crashing issues in Elden Ring, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get back to your game smoothly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. Verify your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage specifications against the game's requirements to rule out hardware limitations. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can improve game stability and performance. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on Elden Ring in your library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Sometimes, high settings can overwhelm your system, especially if it's on the lower end of the requirements. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that may interfere with gaming, such as screen recorders, overlays, or other resource-heavy programs. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support for further assistance. Happy gaming!